This folder widget should be implemented on future Android updates. It allows us to create folders and add apps on it for quick launch on home screen. To get this, head over to the Google Play Store and get this app called Folder Widget. After downloading, open the app and add Folder Widget on home screen. Now click the widget. Here you have a lot of customization. You can add apps, change color backgrounds and many more. The paid version of this app allows us to add more grids so you can see more apps on home screen, and more important, it takes less space on home screen for a cleaner look. The widget itself is well optimized and the opening animation of apps feels super smooth. If you have other apps like this one, please suggest them on my Instagram DMs or in my email address. And also, if you want more customization on your smartphone, then check out this next playlist.